Welcome to Curiosity Kitten.
Hi friends, I'm Stephanie, and I make videos attempting to demystify making, arts, crafts, baking, and making in general. I do this by showing projects, including the setbacks, mistakes, and experimentation. Making things is not a perfect process. Errors will be made, but learning from the mistakes and finding a solution is part of the fun. In starting off this backyard revisit, I first start pulling out all of the loose rocks from the decoration and get all of that placed into a bucket and then into a wheelbarrow so that I can transport it to the other side of the yard for the area that will be staying in place. After the rocks are done, then I start removing all of the bricks and transport them to the other side, as well as stacking them on the patio for use in other areas of the yard, perhaps the front yard. I also double up the bricks on the other side that's staying, just to add some more definition to that area, as you can see. Next, I remove all of the landscape fabric. It was a very dusty job. And it really, the grass and everything had really grown over. It was amazing. I was very fascinated by how that had overgrown. Then I put a fence around the seeded area and placed that cedar run or cedar pathway along the fence, hoping that it would create an area where the mud would not grow when it rains and the puppies run through it. I put 2 cedar mats on the other side in order to do the same thing. So I removed the bricks from the back side of that and just put the cedar along the fence to match the cedar that's the grass has grown through where it ends. And I put grass seed around where the bricks had been around that tree. And here is the finished side. And hopefully he won't destroy this version, but we'll see.
If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos in the future, please hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like announcements of when a new video is available, ring the little bell. Your support is greatly appreciated, and I hope to see you next time on Curiosity Kitten, where I demystify making.